Hi everyone and welcome to Skinmart. I'm Susan and today I'll be talking to you about Dermalogica's Super Rich Repair. A personal favourite of mine, the Super Rich Repair is Dermalogica's richest moisturiser. This cream is a super concentrated heavyweight cream that combats chronically dry, dehydrated and prematurely aging skins. It contains a nourishing cocktail of evening primrose, jojoba, shea butter, vitamin E, all soothe, smooth and replenish barrier lipids while moisturising and insulating the skin from extreme cold and dry environmental conditions, especially through winter time. Now the Super Rich Repair is great for chronically dry, mature or prematurely aging skin. You would apply to your face and neck with light upward strokes. Wait for the cream to absorb before applying additional products. Now you could use your Super Rich Repair once or twice daily. Super Rich Repair works great with your skin resurfacing cleanser. Just a tip, when using, dispense 1 or 2 pumps and rub between your fingertips, and then you would pat on your face and then smooth out. Just on a personal note, this is one of my favourite winter moisturisers. I use this day and night when my skin is feeling quite dry, and it's a beautiful, luxurious, thick, rich cream. Soon as you pop it on your face, it's like your skin will just drink it up. It's a beautiful cream, especially, as I said, if you have a very dry skin. So if you would like to purchase the Super Rich Repair, please go to our website at skinmart.com.au or simply click on the link below. Until next time, have a great day.